Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to duplicate Shopify store. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So duplicating a Shopify store is not directly supported by the platform itself. However, you can create a new store using the existing store's data and settings. So here's how you do it. So export data. In your existing Shopify store, export your product data, customer data, and any other relevant data that you want to migrate to the new store. You can export this data from the Shopify admin panel by going to the respective sections. So for example, products or customers, and using the export options available. Now choose a new Shopify plan. Sign up for a new Shopify account and choose a plan that suits your needs. Shopify offers various pricing plans, so select the one that aligns with your requirements. Now import data. In your new Shopify store, import the exported data from your existing store. Use the appropriate import options in the Shopify admin panel to upload your product data, customer data, and any other exported informations. Now configure settings. Set up your new store settings, including general settings, payment, payment gateways, shipping methods, and any other configurations you had in your original store. Customize your new store's theme to match the design and branding of your previous store, or choose a new theme if desired. Now set up apps and integrations. So install any necessary apps or integrations in your new store to replicate the functionalities you had in the original store. This may include apps for marketing, analytics, SEO, and other specific needs. Now test and review. So once the new store is set up, thoroughly test its functionality to ensure everything is working as expected. Check product listings, checkout process, payment gateways, and any other essential features. Review and adjust any settings or configurations as needed. Now update domain and redirects. If you want to use the same domain name for your new store, update your domain settings to point to the new store. Set up appropriate redirects to ensure visitors are directed to the new store when accessing the previous store's URLs. Inform customers. So if you have existing customers, consider informing them about their transition to the new store. Send out emails or notifications to notify them of the change and provide any necessary instructions or updates. So keep in mind that while this process helps you to create a new store with similar data and settings, it does not include specific design customizations or third-party integrations that may require additional steps. It is recommended to thoroughly review your original store's configurations and consult Shopify's documentation or support resources for more detailed guidance during the duplication process. Okay? And that is how you duplicate a Shopify store. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.